What's up, ninjas? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 ways that you'll be able to lose money this year in 2018 trading cryptocurrency. And the reason why I want to touch on that is because people, especially when you're new into the space, you have a lot of skepticism and you're not really familiar. A lot of people compare it to the stock market and you feel like you're taking a huge risk getting into this space. Now, yes, you are taking a risk just like anything else, but there's 5 things that I'm gonna teach you today. The first one, number 1 is when you buy into cryptocurrencies, if you sell prematurely on a dip, that's the only way you're gonna take a loss. People have this misconception that their money's just gonna go to zero because they've seen a lot of stock market crashes and they tend to compare this thing, but this is a completely different environment. You guys need to do your research and really understand what the underlying technology, which is blockchain, what it is, what it does, and what it's going to do for mankind, because it's going to change and impact everything that we do. Just become familiar and do your research before you get into the space. A lot of people are just jumping in just because they don't want to miss out and they hear all these people talking about making all this money, but you're not taking the time to do your research. So that's number 1. Number 1 is selling your crypto prematurely on a dip. So if you bought it, let's say for $1 and it dips and it goes down to 70 cents, don't panic. It's going to bounce back up. It's happened hundreds of times before in the past. Cryptocurrency is not something that just started this past year. It's been around since 2009 when Bitcoin was first created. So the number 2 way that you can lose money trading crypto is literally if the world ends tomorrow. That is the other way that you can lose money trading cryptocurrency. Number 3 is if a platform gets hacked, like Bittrex, Yobit, Poloniex, whatever it is, your money can get stolen that way too. Or if you keep it on your computer and your computer gets hacked, you can also lose it that way. Security is a huge thing when you're trading in this space. One of the main things that I recommend if you're getting into this space is for you to get a ledger or a Trezor. Both of these are portable wallets that you can keep your coins offline. If you don't know what they are, I put some links below as to where to buy them. And you want to keep your coins on these offline wallets. The only negative side to this is that these wallets don't support all of the coins, and there's over 1,400 coins at this point. They will support all the main ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. I personally keep my Ripple, my Ethereum, my Litecoin on my ledger. So this is mine. Has a little screen here when you plug it into the computer. You have to follow a number of steps when you first acquire the ledger in order for you to back up your coins, because even if you lose this, you can still secure your coin. You'll get like a 24-word PIN. I think it's 24. Let's say you lose your device. You can get a new device and then just put in your PIN and you'll be able to recover your coins. So this is super important to have. I don't know anyone that's serious about cryptocurrency that doesn't have one of these. The 4th way that you can lose money is if you take, for example, funds from your Coinbase and you try to send Ethereum from your Ethereum wallet and you paste the address from a Litecoin wallet and you try to transfer Ethereum to Litecoin, you will forever lose your coins. So when you're trading, make sure that you triple check every time you copy and paste an address to make sure that you're trading from the same currency to the same currency. Because if you don't, you'll lose your coins forever. And imagine having $1 million in Bitcoin or something, and then all of a sudden you make the wrong trade and it's gone for good. You can't backtrack on transactions. That's one thing about trading cryptocurrencies that makes it uniquely special. Be careful when you're trading and sending your funds around from platform to platform. Always make sure that you triple check the address. The 5th way you can lose money trading cryptocurrency is by not having Google Authenticator on your phone. Google Authenticator is a 2-step process to log into most of these platforms. The way this works is whenever you log into most of these platforms, a code is generated and the code changes every couple of seconds. In order for you to log in, you need to have your phone on hand. So if a hacker hacks onto your computer and they try to log into your account, unless they have access to your phone, they're not gonna get into your account and steal your coins. So those are the only ways you can lose money trading cryptocurrency. Honestly, I don't know one person that's losing money trading crypto. Because this is something that's relatively new, it's a new technology, it's innovative. Not a lot of people know about it thus far, relatively compared to the mass market out there. There's a lot of excitement happening, a lot of people finding out. So naturally, as more and more people find out, they start buying into more coins. Most of these coins are gonna go up. Yeah, more than likely, 90% of these cryptocurrencies will not exist in the future. But before that happens, I think we have a good 1 to 2 year run before we start seeing some of these cryptocurrencies fall out. Especially if you buy coins and you hold them, I don't see a way that you can actually lose money. If you prevent all the 5 things that I just mentioned, well, you can't prevent the world from ending, but what are the odds of that, That's why I'm super bullish about the market. I think we're gonna have a huge 2018. And I think the more people find out, the bigger it's gonna get, the more money is gonna start coming into the space. I mean, right now, we haven't even hit $1 trillion in market cap in the space, and look how much money people are making. And just in the last 6 months that I've been in the space, every single coin that I've invested to has gone up. The key, in my opinion, is to hold long-term on a lot of your positions. Yes, there are some short-term opportunities, but they're not, because the market is so volatile. Sometimes you don't make money right away, or you don't make enough money. But if you hold long enough, I believe that most of the coins that are out there have the potential to go up, or they will go up, especially if you hold anything for a month or longer. I'm very confident that you'll make money on the coin. Even the coins that are called shit coins out there, to me, there's still opportunities to make money, because just like I found out about certain coins like POC, there's a lot of other people that are getting into the space that are going to be doing the same exact thing. It's in your favor at the end of the day. And that's why, to me, I always say that out of all the types of gambles and investments that you can make right now, cryptocurrency is the best thing you can do with your money. Especially if you have some money sitting in your savings account, it's not doing anything in there, the bank's not really giving you some real interest on it. You can put it into the space and you can multiply it tenfold within a month if you just do your research and get into the right coins, the ones that are, marketing heavily, or the ones that just have most of the buzz, like Ripple, Tron, Cardano, Potcoin recently. There's just no way you can really lose. So yeah, if you're not already in the space, I encourage you to start now. And even if it's $100, it doesn't matter. You can turn that $100 into $1,000, and then you can turn that $1,000 into $10,000, and so on and so forth. And I know people that have made hundreds of thousands of dollars within a month, just because they got into the right coins, they got lucky, some of the coins surged, and they made a ton of money. So lesson of the day is, you can't lose. I mean, you can lose if one of the 5 other things happen, but otherwise, I think you're straight. So if I were you, if you don't already have some coins, I'd take whatever you have sitting in your bank account, take a portion of it, take whatever you're willing to lose, and put it into this page. You'll be thanking me later. Anyway, that's all for now. That's all I wanted to cover. I'm gonna be putting out some more videos touching on specific coins, some of them with some of my friends that are also heavily into crypto. And I'm hoping to continue to give you guys valuable information that'll help you become better traders and make some money. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, hopefully you can subscribe and share the video with somebody that might find it useful. Thanks again. Till next time. Peace.